How to join Temu Influencer Program. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Temu Influencer Program and search for it. Now open this very first website option, Influencer Program, Temu. With that you will land to this kind of interface. Now from here you can easily join Temu Influencer Program. You can just scroll down, you will find the benefits of Temu Influencer Program. At the bottom right corner you will see the option Scan to Join. So you can scan that QR code to join. Or also you can click on this option of Join the Program option. After you scan the QR code, you have to follow steps to log in. After you log in, for the authorization process, you have to provide your social media account. That might be Instagram, YouTube or anything. Once you request for authorization of your channel, they will review your application. And based on the number of followers and engagement metrics of your account, you will get the results. After you become influencer, you can enjoy this benefit of Temu. You will be receiving free product as well as you can earn the cash balance. All you have to do is post and share the Temu items during the campaign. So this is how you can join Temu Influencer Program. I hope you guys are clear about it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.